What's up, Beefy Squad, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to take you through a 10-minute Taekwondo kicking balance routine that is great for my beginners. We're going to be working on both dynamic and static balance. Both are essential to help you improve your overall kicking balance skills. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so the first exercise we're going to be doing today is a front chamber lift. Don't worry about kicking right now. What we're going to do is just lift in that front kick chamber. So you're in your fighting stance, and you're just going to, very simple, right? The faster you lift your leg though, the more balance that's required for me, my right leg. So I'm just chambering my leg like a front kick. And you want to stabilize for that split second. This is almost like a warm-up. Making that switch, guys. So remember, the faster you go, the more difficult this is. You ready to go? How you place your foot is totally up to you. The foot being your kicking foot. So you can have it pointed or flex the ankle like that. Working on dynamic balance right now. Great job, guys. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but with a side kick chamber. And so with the side kick chamber, I'm gonna kick with my left leg. And what I'm gonna do is my right foot is gonna pivot out. So I'm like this, pivot out. But I'm making sure I keep my chamber, my kicking leg, nice and tight like a bow and arrow, okay? Make sure you stabilize. Great job, guys, making that switch to the other side. So again, that kicking leg, nice and tight like a bow and arrow. The balance leg, you turning it out. So again, turn it out, bring it back in. Couple more. Great job, guys. Now we have a round kick chamber. So with the round kick chamber, it's very similar to your side kick chamber. Sometimes that standing foot isn't going full 180. Okay, so I'll explain. So basically, I'm in my fighting stance, right? I'm gonna throw my roundhouse kick, but my foot right here doesn't always go 180 degrees. Sometimes it might be like at 160, okay? But the key thing is with your round kick chamber, guys, you're more open. So I'll show you from this angle right here. So right here. So I'm just opening it up a little bit more. Versus your side kick is more like tight. Round chamber is just a little bit more open. Switching to the other side. Now, does it always have to be the case? No, especially when you're going against an opponent. You want to make sure you guys do not telegraph your kicks. If you're going to throw a roundhouse kick, don't, hey, I'm going to go a roundhouse kick chamber. No, make sure you guys disguise your kicks accordingly. Let's go ahead and get started with the other leg again. So again, make sure you guys do stabilize. Almost there. All right, guys, great job. Now we have front to side leg swings. With this one, guys, we're simply just gonna kick front, kick side. No change in foot positioning. So like this, boom, open, kick. Make sure you guys do keep your hands up. Forgot to mention that little bit of detail. Woo! Making that switch, guys. Keep in mind, if you're doing this in the grass, when it's windy, it adds a different level of difficulty. So do keep that in mind. So right here, and I'm gonna be tested with my left leg. Stay with me, guys. Woo! Don't lose it. Woo! All right, guys, now we have front to back leg swings or kicks, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to be kicking front and back. So front, back. Woo! Almost lost my balance there. Ooh, making that switch, guys. Get ready to go. All right, guys, we got some more chamber stuff. We have front to side chamber lifts. I will say, guys, the last remaining exercises are going to be the most difficult. So I'm in my fighting stance. I'm gonna front kick chamber, then I'm gonna go to the side, reset, front kick chamber to the side. Now, if you would like to, you can simply just go right here, and reset, or make it more difficult. Boom, boom, reset, reset, reset. A little more challenging. Great job, guys, making that switch. All right, so now we're going, for me, my weaker side. Hopefully the wind doesn't mess me up because I feel like I'm just all over the place. So right here, stabilize. Sometimes when it's like you get in a rhythm, you just keep going, but sometimes, guys, it's about really concentrating, not losing your focus. Woo! That was not pleasant. All right, guys, moving on. Three-way kick lifts, or should I say three-way kicks with a chamber. Gotta watch out for that spot right there. All right. So what we're doing, guys, front, you can do side, roundhouse, reset back, front, roundhouse, side, okay? I feel like Kung Lao right now. Whew. Then chamber, let me side, reset. making that switch, guys. Have to move a little bit just because that ground is all over the place. I want to make sure our last one is the best one. So front, side, round, reset. The ground isn't the best, but we're gonna make it work. Side, roundhouse, boom. Woo! Great job, guys. So, as you guys can see, we worked on static and dynamic balance. With these exercises, guys, it may not seem so difficult, but challenge yourself. If you're doing these on concrete or a hardwood floor, it's a little less difficult. But when you're doing this like in the grass or spongy-like material, like you might see at a Taekwondo dojo, it's gonna be a little more difficult. So do keep that in mind. Find different elements to work your balance, change your atmospheres up. That's how you really elevate your training and of course get you to that next level. I strongly suggest you guys to do this for 2 to 3 rounds. You don't really need a whole lot. Train this no more than 2 to 3 times a week and be patient with balance. Guys, it's not gonna come overnight. This takes time and dedication. So make sure you guys do stay consistent, be patient, trust your training. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Most importantly, make sure you are properly subscribed. I'll see you guys next video. Peace and love as always, and nah, shade. Boom, we out, baby.